Today I'll be unboxing hair from Langer Hair. Okay, let's see what's in it. We get our wig cap. We also have an edge brush and also extra clips. The hair already comes with 4 clips. The hair ranges from 18 inches to 36 inches. This is a deep water wave human hair wig. It has a lace 13 by 6 HD transparent lace, and it also comes in a natural pre-plugged, and it has secure band to secure the hair. So after I put on my wig cap, I'm just cutting out the lace. This is a 180 degrees density. You can see how nice and thick it is. It is very nice to work with, very soft. And this is unprocessed human hair curly lace front wig. You can see how beautiful it looks like. I like that it's natural. You can dye this hair, but it gives you that glossy, soft, no smell, no tangles. This is absolutely a beautiful wig for any occasion. I totally love it.